Well, that's not normal. The creature from the Black Lagoon preDCS soundboard. Somebody else had already replaced all the 47 microfarad caps and the 22 microfarad cap adjacent to the heatsink. I highly recommend that if you're having sound problems. But be careful, the traces on this thing are very delicate. I replaced the two big 4700 microfarad power filter caps, and you saw what this thing was doing when I booted it previously, and the root cause of that was a failed RAM 6264, even though that one says 5168. It's the same chip, and we are good to go. So let's put it through the tests. You can hear it's working already. Let's hear some creature from the Black Lagoon.
Someone's watching us. It's dark in here. Here's your report, juicy hot dog.
Okay, so it's a little muddy, but that is the nature of preDCS soundboards, and there's not a darn thing that can be done about that. Thank you for sending it. Before you know it, you will be yelled at for focus or something like, move your car. Christ.